In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language to English in Tokopedia. Unfortunately, in the Tokopedia application, you'll not be able to change the language. So what you have to do is open Tokopedia in the browser. For that, open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in tokopedia.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Tokopedia. You can see over here, you can use the Google Translate if you want. Simply click on the option English and it will be translated. But if you want to change the language to English, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now at the bottom of this interface, you'll be able to find two options, Indonesia, English. Simply click on this option English. Now after you do that, you can see over here the language will be changed to English. So like this, you'll be able to change the language. So that is how you change language to English in Tokopedia. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.